Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to enable 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and update your software to the latest version. After this, go back and now you have to go to accessibility and now scroll it below and tap on motion, and from here you have to simply turn off the reduce motion toggle. So guys, here you can see this. If it is on, you have to simply turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this the 120 Hz refresh rate will be activated and enabled on your iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also activate or enable 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone too. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.